Hi guys, I would like to share you some technical information video regarding a cooktop Brio, ICT Brio. We have done some modification EMF coil which we will be showing you now. Brio induction cooktop, we are opening it. If you see that we have a old coil which will be upgraded to a new EMF coil. The old EMF coil is burgundy in color. It's a deep red. Actually, we have upgraded that to another EMF coil with much tolerance, much resistance, and an upgraded version. You could see we are replacing with a new EMF coil. It's very simple to replace it. Make sure the terminals output 1, which is mentioned on the PCB, goes to the output 1 only. It's a red sleeve there, output 1. The other one, black sleeve terminal to the output 2, which is mentioned on the PCB itself. Now we are connecting the sensor. Which goes to the connector jig here. The terminals are explained now. Both, you could see the old coil. This is the old burgundy coil, which was earlier inside. This coil, we are replacing it to a new coil. This is the coil what we are going to replace. So wherever we find the old burgundy coil, that coil needs to be replaced with a new golden color copper coil wire, which we are now installing. Make sure the screws are tightened properly so that it is firm and rigid. It goes sitting to the mounting hole there, which is already there. The three screws are fixed to the mounting jack. Yeah. Now we are fixing back the induction. Thank you.